What's up, everyone? Tinnitus Coach Frieder from sunny Berlin on the balcony. Not only have I already put out the flowers this year, I also wanted to share with you guys, while I'm sitting and chilling here in the sun, that I'm doing a new monthly live event on tinnitus and a Q&A tomorrow on my YouTube channel again. If you haven't been there yet, you can actually join us. Just on my YouTube channel, you will see it in the live section. You can be part of that. We're doing it once a month on a Wednesday, and tomorrow at 5 p.m. Berlin time, we're doing another live stream for all of you guys to ask your questions, and for me to be able to talk to you guys a little bit more about the Habituation program, also about my personal story, being born deaf in this one and having a hearing aid and severe or relatively loud tinnitus. Now when I take it out, can't really hear the birds anymore, can't really hear the wind rustling anymore, and my tinnitus gets very prominent. So I put it back in just to hear a little bit better what's going on around me. But yeah, tomorrow we're doing the live event. You can join us at 5 p.m. sharp. And I'm really excited to see you all there to answer your questions about our 12-week program, about my one-on-one coaching, in which I have worked with 500 plus people already, and some other exciting news that I will share tomorrow with you guys in the live stream. All right, I wish you have a fantastic day. I hope wherever you are, it is as sunny as it is here in lovely old Berlin. What is the temperature saying? Temperature saying 21 degrees, but it's not yet in the sun, so 21 degrees in the shadows. Not too shabby. In the sun it's definitely warm. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.